Hey y'all, hey, hello, Dana Lynette. It's been a minute, but hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I am packing for a work trip. We're going to Nashville this week. So these earrings are so cute. I got these from Cato, and it's just a little butterfly with rhinestones and then a little dangling chain on it. That is so pretty. I'm loading up my suitcase. I think I will take you guys with me. Let's call this a vlog. So my colleagues and I are gonna stop at Buccees. I've never been to a Buccees gas station. I'm so excited about that, which tells you a little bit about my life. Why am I excited to go to a gas station? Because it's Buccees. All right, guys, so I finally made it to a Buccees. See, this is my first time at a Buccees. We are, I don't know, somewhere in Kentucky, but I'm a little too excited about a gas station, but I think you guys understand. So, let's see. All right, let's go inside and see what they have to offer. Thinking about brisket. God, look at all this food. This is crazy nice. So I know this is weird, but even the bathrooms are surprisingly clean and they're nice. Like, let me show y'all. Like, they have these big sturdy doors, and then you come in and you got your own commode, more privacy. Like, the restrooms are nice. And this place is like huge. Okay, so this is the brisket sandwich that I bought. And I also got some fruit, a pillow, and some house shoes. So, I'll let you know. Okay, so the verdict is Buccees is the bomb. That brisket sandwich was so good. Like, it was so good. And I want another one, but they cost $9, so I will not be going to buy another one. But I will eat my little $5 fruit cup. But the brisket was really good. The store is clean. The bathrooms are clean and nice. And I got a neck pillow and some house shoes for my trip. And we're gonna go on to Nashville, and when we come back to Kentucky, we are going to stop at Buccees again, and I'm gonna get another brisket sandwich. And maybe I'll try something else and see if it's good. All right, on to Nashville, people, or Franklin, or whatever. This is the coolest thing to me. I walk in to this message. Welcome, Dana, to the Embassy Suites. Isn't that cool? There's a faint smell of cigarettes, I think, which I'm a little bit sensitive to. And the TV. And here, welcome Dana. Let's see what this view is. Oh, what a lovely view. Not. All right, today is today is Wednesday. Yeah, I'm about to go to training in. I've hit the mark. I'm ready to go home. Hotels are a stretch for me. Even nicer hotels are a stretch for me. I was ready to go home and sleep in my bed. But the trip has been a good trip. I haven't made it to Nashville yet. I've been in Franklin this whole time. Not sure if I'll make it to Nashville, but at this point I'm over it. I don't really want or need to go. I'm ready to go home. Y'all pray my strength in the Lord. 2 more days, or actually the last day of training is tomorrow, but Friday's a travel day, so. And there's Kid Rock.